Oh, hey, look. I think they're finally awake. Yep, they're awake. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to create some fun and interesting pots instead of these standard pots that you see all the time. So, let's get into it. Here are the standard planters. These ones are so boring. I mean, they're useful for propagating a bunch of different seeds. Here we got some burro's tail. Here we have green peppers. We even have all of these. We have oregano, we have cilantro, we have some chives, we have some flat Italian parsley, some big Italian parsley, and then last but not least, and this one's gonna be my favorite, we have catnip, and this is the favorite design that I have, but we'll see. We'll see what design you like out of all of these as well. So again, we have a standard little pot propagation here for new seeds, newlings. And what we can do is we can 3D print some really creative items to make this a little bit more fun. You can do stars. You can do the shape of a water droplet. If you're thinking a little bit festive, I mean, you might do a Christmas tree. If you're a little bit greedy, you might take on some diamonds. If you're a Mario fan, you might have some flour. Or if you want to give something to somebody you love, you might just create a heart. Sometimes you'll match the things up with the seeds that they are. So here's a pepper, and here's pepper seeds. You can also add other aesthetics onto the sides to be able to create a more modern looking pot that doesn't have all these different shapes. And then here's a couple more that I'll show you. Again, just a couple of generic thin-walled pots. This one looks more like a barrel. Yeah, this was really fun. I really like this one. It's got those little nubs on it, good to hold. And then last but not least, this one's my favorite one. And you would go and start putting your seeds in these, but tell me if you think that this one's your favorite or not. So again, we have all of these propagators and planters here. Here's your standard ones. Or if you like 3D printing, you can get a little bit creative and you can have a bunch of different pots in your collection. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave any comments down below, and I'll catch you later. Thanks. Peace.